Hi everyone, this is the tech talk for Pika. Now, Pika is the very first game that I made, and it was made using Java and Swing, and it is a desktop game. And since it is a desktop game, all the inputs are keyboard. It uses the right key to move the Pikachu right, left key to move the Pikachu left, and the up arrow key to allow the Pikachu to jump. And the jumping actually differs depending on how long the up key was held. If you tap it, it does a short hop, and if you hold the up key, the Pikachu jumps much higher. And all I really did there to implement that was to check the time interval between when the up key was pressed and when the up key was let go. And my game does have very minimal physics, and I didn't use any outer physics engines. All the physics was implemented by myself using standard physics equations. And as you can see, it says escape for pause. I try to implement a pausing feature. I'm gonna go ahead and press escape. Pauses the whole game, and all I really did there was stick the whole game into a while true loop, and if they press escape again, it just gets out of that while loop and right back into the game. And the next part here, it says key 1 for 2-player. If I go ahead and press the numeric 1 key on the keyboard, it creates a second Pikachu. And both of the Pikachus are movable, and they behave independently of each other. And the second Pikachu moves using the ASWD key input. And all I really did there was pretty much just create a second Pikachu and set a whole different set of keystrokes so that the movements are independent. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that Pikachu by pressing 1 again. Now we're back at just one Pikachu. And one other thing I implemented was the chat box, which is here, which doesn't really look like a chat box, but if you go ahead and press, type in something like hello world, and then press enter, it displays right on top of the Pikachu and disappears in a couple seconds. And what I was trying to go for there was try to mimic a very common feature in MMORPGs and a lot of live games with online interactions where people have a chat box and text displaying right above their head. And as you can see throughout the video, you saw this block thingy. The block is collidable, and for the collision, it's simple image pixel to pixel collision. If it does collide, then the Pikachu, I just made it so that the Pikachu can't move past it. And that's pretty much it for Pika. Thank you so much for watching.